Okay, so this is what I'm referring to as digital farming in your neighborhood for realtors. You're already doing postcards, you're already door knocking, you're already doing events, but now online, what we could do is target certain neighborhoods and have you rank for anything related to real estate. So, for example, here's a realtor back in, we started this one in November, but as you can see, we started ranking in February for her, and it looked like this. Number three, in the Google local service pack, we got 4 or 5, four here, number one right in the middle. And as you can see here, over the months, it's gotten better and better and better. So here we are in July, and she's ranking number one for keyword Foothill Ranch Realtor. So that is awesome. Let's check out some other keywords real quick and see how we're progressing there. Let's do Let's just go Foothill Ranch Real Estate Agent. And again, going back several months, this is what it looked like. Okay. And let's go today. As you can see here, we're number one everywhere. So when people in Foothill Ranch are looking for a realtor or anything to do with real estate or real estate agents, this realtor is going to show up in that Google local service pack first thing. So this is how we farm online. So they're seeing you everywhere. And of course, this is a lot more cost effective. Let's switch over to another realtor. This is up in Porter Ranch, Jonathan Petralia. Let's choose a keyword we're working on. Let's check out real estate agent Porter Ranch. Okay. Going back in February, this is what he looked like. He was nowhere to be found. Now, this realtor is door knocking, doing drops, doing postcards, doing events. So let's see where they are today in July. So in July, we're getting a lot better results. As you can see over here in the southeast part of Porter Ranch, he's showing up. He's ranking number three. We still have more work to do here, but that is a lot better. Let's check out another keyword real quick. Let's go down to Porter Ranch Real Estate Agent. Okay. Again, let's just go back to May. I mean, just in May, he wasn't showing a lot of the area of Porter Ranch, and we're coming in the top 10. Let's see where we are today. A little bit better today. We're showing up within the top 5 or 6, and we're getting some greens here. So this is what we want to do for you realtors. If you're farming a neighborhood, let's get you farming online. Let's get you showing up here. So wherever they turn, they see your face, they see your name.